Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a margarita with margarita mix. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need your favorite tequila, a good quality margarita mix, and plenty of ice. Selecting a decent tequila truly elevates the drink, so don't skimp there. Also, consider preparing your glass with a salted rim. It adds a wonderful savory contrast to the sweet and sour notes of the margarita. This quick setup ensures a smooth mixing process. Now let's get to the mixing. The general rule of thumb is to combine 2 parts margarita mix with 1 part tequila. For example, if you use 4 ounces of mix, add 2 ounces of tequila. Pour these into a cocktail shaker. Next, add a good amount of ice to the shaker. This is crucial for chilling and slightly diluting the drink. Secure the lid and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds until the shaker feels frosty to the touch. Once your margarita is perfectly chilled, it's time to serve. Strain the liquid from the shaker into your prepared glass, which should already have fresh ice. A classic garnish is a simple lime wedge or wheel placed on the rim. It adds a pop of color and a fresh aroma. For an extra layer of flavor, a small splash of fresh lime juice can brighten up the drink even more. Enjoy your perfectly crafted, refreshing margarita. You've mastered the basic margarita, but don't stop there. Feel free to customize your drink. Try different types of tequila, such as a crisp blanco or a smoother reposado, to see how it changes the flavor profile. You can also experiment with fruit purees like strawberry or mango, or even a dash of a flavored syrup for a unique twist. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Cheers to your delicious, personalized creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.